let's go over the party that is featured in October's party pack, and that is the Monster Movie Night right here. So you got everything in here. All these downloads are included in the party pack, so you can make this sign to welcome your guests, which would be my kids. We're just doing a Monster Movie Night for the family. And it also comes with a pattern for all these triangles, and you can cut as many as you need. And this is to turn your TV into a monster. So you can line the bottom of your TV and the top with these razor sharp monster teeth. And then giant googly eyes to go above it. And then voila, your monster is a TV and ready for Monster Movie Night. Okay, as you can see, we have rainbow colored monsters. We have the printable right here to turn paper sacks into monsters. You can add these little arms if you want, but you don't have to. They just glue right on the side. And then we also have wraps for soda. So this would also look cute on those tall glass bottles of soda, or it'll work on cans. These are different candies, the movie theater box candies. And as you can see, they're different sizes, but it works for all of them. So this one's a little bit wider, narrow, and I went through and I tried to find candy that matched each of the colors. And there's a ton of candy out there, so I totally was able to do it. Okay, and then over here, you can see I found these little boxes on Amazon a year or so ago for a movie night, and love them so much. And let me show you why. Because they hold everything that you need and that your kids can carry, and all of their stuff stays together. So let me take this out so I can show you. We have your popcorn bag right here, the box of candy, and then this can of soda, or you could do a cup. But as you can see, like this box, you can pop out different things. So now it has a cup holder in it. If you had like ice cream cones or cotton candy, something that needed to stick through to hold, snow cones, there's spots for that too. And there's also, you can punch out a cup holder on this side as well too. So I just love these boxes. I think they would be great for barbecues. We've always used them for movie nights, and I just love them. Okay, and then the last printable that comes in the Monster Movie Party Pack is this sheet. And as you can see right here, I have them cut out. So you could use them for tags if you wanted to do other little goodie bags, or maybe if you're giving this as a gift to a neighbor, you could include a movie, print out some of these little things, put a tag on it, that they can have a happy Monster Movie Night. Or you can leave it like this, laminate it, not laminate it, doesn't matter, and use it for the game Don't Eat Pete. You could also print out 2 of these and then cut them apart and use them for a game of memory. So turn them all upside down and then try to find the matches. It would obviously be a quick game of memory because there's only 6, but I mean, use them different ways. You've got one more activity for your movie night. I hope you guys enjoy this movie night and take just a few minutes to prep it and make an evening special with your family and just show them that you love them. If you guys have questions, let me know below. I'm happy to answer them, and I'll see you later.